said you go and I go with you. You preach the gospel and I preach with you. Lord, if I go, won't you tell me what to say? 'Cause they won't believe on me. Oh, no. They won't believe on me. They won't believe on me.
Okay. Next day. Here's the quail coop in the daylight. Or the Avery. So there it is. Okay, so here I got a latch up there and a latch down here, and there it goes. Get some sticks in here. I think I'm gonna I'll get another one, maybe it'll go up here. So there you go. Lift that up, and so then I got that down there with my 2 shells, and throw some straw on there. Probably got room to put a little sandbox in here or something. I got this little sliding door. Not that it really needs to be that way, I just did it anyway. And then I might change this up too, make that sliding. That way it's easier to clean out. But there you have it. And for the quail. Hope they enjoy it. Hope they enjoy it. I'll have to do a little more down here. You can see I've got chicken wire on the ground, and I got to do it all along here, you know, to keep things, if they get into the rabbits and then into that, but hopefully that won't happen. I still need to do chicken wire. You'll see I'm still going to do chicken wire along the bottom edge, all the way around the rabbit hut and everything, so nothing can, so at least make it harder to dig under it. You can see the rabbit hut is, pieces have come together too, so all I gotta do pretty much is put that together. Still didn't know what to do with the roof. It may end up being a temporary tarp idea. I didn't have quite as much lumber as I thought I had. There's the duckies. Hello. Okay, there you go. Here we go. Anyway, there you go. Check you later.